Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Alloy to World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you Google Chat tutorial where how to use Google Chat in Google Chrome. So for this case, we have to open any kinds of mail account. So before that, I will use two accounts. So here the Jarna tool with one accounts and another account. Uh, it is engineer Ayesha Akter. Here is another account, so go to use this chat and we will create the new things, or here we can use this. Here the chat, going to new chat. Now I have to write the mail account name. See, this has come. Click here and start chat, so it will come. So I will write hi and we have to press the send. See, we will check from the other side how. See the request Janatul Ferdos. Press this. See, I will press the accept and I will write from here hello. So and we have to press the send. See, and again we will check from another account. See, from that side she has sent this hello this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.